Hello and welcome to the next edition of Darlington Driving Lessons. Tips to help you pass the driving test. We're going to travel along the A66 past the Brick Train towards Asda. We're heading along the A66 towards the roundabout where Tornado Way and the A66 meet. We're going to follow the road straight ahead, second exit towards the north. Watching out for cyclists. We've got two lanes on the approach into the roundabout. We're going to use the left hand lane, so all the danger is going to be coming down our right hand side, so having a quick check in the mirrors. It's important as we enter the roundabout to keep checking the right hand side, so we're looking in the mirrors to see if it's safe. As we come off the roundabout, we can see that our lane has to move into the left hand lane, so we're going to have a check of the mirrors, and if it's safe, move into the left hand lane. You can see that the signs tell you you've got road narrows on the right hand side and two-way traffic. So now we're watching the traffic, 60 miles an hour speed limit. And now we come to the junction where the road layout has changed. So we're going to follow the signs for the north, staying in the left hand lane. As we come to the roundabout sign, we can see that we've got a slip road that we can use without going around the roundabout. So there's the lane, into the lane, watching the truck ahead of us because he's slowing down. He might have got it wrong, so watching, he's not moving, so we're okay to go around the roundabout. 300 yards, traffic's coming in from the right, so we're watching the mirror and the door mirror. Still no traffic behind us at the moment. 70 miles an hour speed limit on the dual carriageway at the moment. Junction ahead, we can see there's traffic in the junction. We're watching in case they pull out. Dual carriageway ends, so the speed limit's going down to 60. Watching ahead of us, we can see a 30 miles an hour speed limit. So we're slowing the car down to 30 miles an hour. There's a blue car now behind us. He's keeping a reasonable distance behind us. Up ahead, the junction's clear. Still got the blue car behind. As we can see the roundabout, we can follow the signs for the north. We're going to be in the right hand lane, so looking in the mirror and the door mirror, making sure it's safe getting into your lane. Roundabout is clear, so we're entering the roundabout in the right hand lane. Danger's on the left hand side, so a quick look in the left mirror indicating left. Lights are green ahead of us, no pedestrians on the crossing. Vehicle up ahead, so we're going to quick look in the mirror. Still got the blue car, right hand door mirrored, and then the left hand door mirror to check once it's passed. Green lights up ahead of us. So click subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll let you know when we release new videos.